welcome and thanks for watching. Today, guys, it's about 30 degrees out there and dropping, and wind will blow a little bit. So we're back out here in the shop, and we're going to show you something that we picked up new, and it's the what they call a Rossi gallery pump. Okay, guys, right out of the box, these little Rossi's comes with a pretty decent manual, and they make this also the wood stock and forearm, and this is the gallery model, and you also get your lock to lock your rifle down, you know, for storage. And so that's what's in the box. Now, this rifle is 36 inches overall length. It's got an 18-inch barrel, and it's tube fed, and it'll hold, I think, 15 rounds of 22 long rifles. Now, synthetic stock and forearm, and fiber optic front and back sights, and it's got your little protective cover over your sights out there, and these back sights are adjustable up and down, left and right, windage and elevation. You got that. So I mean, should be a pretty nice little shooting rifle. Now this has got the hammer, and right here you have a little button right where your finger is in front of the trigger guard. What this does, this releases your action so you can eject a shell into it. But now once you start shooting this, it's matter of fact, when that goes down, then all the way. But now if this hammer is on the first click, it locks that boat up tight. So when it's all the way down, it releases it. So if you've got a problem there, that's what it is. It's your hammer's just not all the way down. So, and it's got a bar safety, crossbar safety right here, and so guys, I mean, pretty nice little setup there. Now, someone asked me, I did a review on the, this is the Tasco Pro Point, and so you can pick these up at Walmart for around 36 bucks. Great little optic. I've got them on shotguns, and they will hold those Magnum round blast. Actually, I called Tasco, and they said no problem holding the shotgun blast, and it's fully warranted. So if you have any problems. Now, someone wanted to know if you could mount those on a Rossi rifle, and the answer is yes. And what it's going to be is, when you get this, you're going to have one side is for the 3/8 inch, and that's what you have here on your 22. Now, you can get an adapter to go up to a Weaver mount if you would like, but this is equipped. Now, you should have got some little screws in there, and one are long for the Weaver style mount, and the others are shorter for the 3/8 mount. And you simply just flip that over, and you can see there, this side, it says tip off, and that is the side that you want down if you're putting it on a 22 rifle. And you flip it over, and it says Weaver style mounts, and that's what you'd want to do there for your Weaver mount. And just simply we'll just put it on there real quick and show you what it looks like. And I like little optics, and when you get older, guys, your eyes is just not what they used to be, and they really help. And don't look too bad on there. And you can get on those targets a whole lot quicker. I mean, I'll probably get one for this one. I have one for my Henry rifle and the little 22 lever action rifle. Now the MSRP on these is about $329. You know, not bad for a little pump action rifle. And now I have shot one of these. They actually do real well, and I watched a lot of reviews from fellow YouTubers on the little rifles. They're out there. They do perform real well. I mean, they're pretty accurate and a little stiff. I mean, that action, which it's getting better and better. I've worked it just a little bit, and I actually put a couple drops of oil in there, and that's a smoothing right out. So, guys, not real heavy. I can't wait to get out there and put some rounds to it. But this weather is just down to about 29 now here in Kentucky. In my area, I'm up on a hill, so it's kind of windy anyhow. So that temperature's really dropping down out there, and that wind's whipping through. And we thought we'd come out here and the little man cave and our mini studio and show you this little Rossi gallery. And just as quick as we can, we'll get out there and put some rounds to it. And we might just leave this little Tasco red dot on there and just see how it does. But somebody wanted to know, so yes, it will work. Now, you will have to change your mounting screws, and you shouldn't have any problem. I did have one rifle, and I don't know why it would not fit on that rifle, and it must have not had a standard 3/8 dovetail there to mount it on. So, but now it does fit on the Rossi and good and tight. And I'm not really, I just hand tighten that, and it's tight now. But it's going to tighten down good and not give any problems. But I kind of like the tube bed, and I do like the hammer on this. You know, you can, if you was hunting with your little rifle, you can put it on your first click there, and that's your safety. It keeps the foreign pin off the round. Anyhow, that's a pretty nice little rifle for around $329, according to where you're at. If it's on sale, I try to look for bargains if possible. Now, guys, we're going to do some shooting reviews, and just as quick as we can get out there. We've got a lot of different guns we're wanting to put some rounds through at the range, and jump some cans and bust some bottles and just have some fun out there, and maybe do some little bit of ballistic testing and just have some fun. So just stick right with us, and we'll try to get out there to the range just as quick as this weather breaks just a little bit. And guys, I appreciate you watching us. I thank you for all your views and comments. And give us a thumbs up at the end of the video. It seems to help. And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you all the next time on The Walk with Al. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it.